Part 1. Dirham's ups and downs and keeping money flowing. Now, the Moroccan dirham has dipped a little bit against the US dollar and the euro this week. Things happening around the world and within Morocco are affecting this. To keep things steady, Bank Al-Maghrib, Morocco's central bank, has been actively managing the flow of money in the banking system. Bank Al-Maghrib added a lot of money into the banking system this week. This was mostly done through 7-day repurchase agreements. This is like a short-term loan. These actions aim to help banks meet their immediate cash needs. They also help keep interest rates in line with what Bank Al-Maghrib wants. The interbank market, where banks lend and borrow from each other, saw a stable average daily trading volume. This means things are pretty balanced between the banks. The interbank rate, the cost of these short-term loans, stayed steady. This suggests things are predictable and stable in the interbank market. Part 2. Saving for a rainy day. Morocco's savings, which include money from other countries and gold, have gone up. They are now more than enough to cover several months of imports. This shows Morocco is in a good position. These big savings act like a safety net against unexpected problems and help keep the dirham stable. Part 3. Understanding the Moroccan stock market. Now, let's talk about the stock market. The Moroccan All-Share Index, or MASI, went up and down this week. This is similar to what's happening in other stock markets around the world. Even with these ups and downs, the MASI has been doing okay since the beginning of the year. This shows investors believe in Morocco's economy. Looking at how specific parts of the market did, we see some differences. Some areas, like technology, did well, while others, like retail, faced challenges. These differences highlight why it's good to spread your investments to lower risk and take advantage of good opportunities. Part 4. How much is being traded? Looking at how much is being bought and sold tells us a lot about what's happening in the market. This week saw more trading than usual on the Casablanca Stock Exchange. Several things caused this, including company reports and changes in the world economy. It's important to understand the difference between the stock market and the central market. The stock market, where company shares are traded, shows how investors feel about those companies. The central market, where government bonds are traded, shows how investors feel about the government's spending plans and the overall economy. To wrap up, the dirham is dealing with changes both inside and outside Morocco, but Bank Al-Maghrib is working to keep things stable. The strong reserves and the stock market's overall strength show confidence in the Moroccan economy. As always, keeping up with what's happening in the market and talking to experts is important for making smart investment choices.